Alright, what's up everybody? I'm Mitch with Stone Coat Epoxy, and we're going to make a blue inspired marble. Making different shades of blue using my white and translucent ocean blue dyes. I'll add in a few of these metallic powders as an accent, and let's see what we can create. Whenever I installed granite as a professional granite installer and it had the color blue in it, the price of that slab shot through the roof. So one of the cool things with Stone Coat Epoxy is you can mimic most stones by just mixing up the colors. So today I'm going to make a couple custom colors using white and blue. Make some different shades of blue. I might do a dirty pour base, bring in some accents, just have some fun with it. So I mixed up my material for about 2 minutes with a paddle mixer and a drill. We have tons of videos, full length, heavy tutorial, epoxy videos here on YouTube that show you every step along the way, pretty much going over any existing surface or building from scratch, building new counters out of MDF. They make waterproof MDFs, that's even better. You don't have to put any waterproof membrane on the bottom side. I'm on a piece of MDF right now, black undercoat. It's dried a couple hours, and let's mix up some colors. Starting with, I know I need a pure white. That's almost a given on every piece. Black and white, you'll see in a lot of stone. Not every piece, but a lot of natural stones have some accents of black and white, grays. A little bit goes a long way, and we are now selling these larger size jars of dye. So if you're a contractor that does this for a living, check those out on our website. And also if you're a contractor that does this for a living and you want your best price possible, check out the Pro Portal on our website. You're going to get in touch with Rob. He's awesome. He's going to give you the best price, walk you through your ordering process, making sure you have everything you need, no matter how big or small your project is. You can book a call with them right on our website under our Pro Portal. So let's make a light shade of blue. I'm just going to take what blue is left on this stick and see what that gives us. Baby blue. Notice I put my bucket upside down and my paddle mixer over here on my board dripping. That was on purpose. That's because I'm going to use that resin to grease my board up. Alright guys, you can grab all the products used in this video at stonecoatcountertops.com. We sell DIY user-friendly epoxy designed to go over your existing or building new substrate. Save yourself thousands versus going to the big box store to get a comparable option. And I guarantee you, if your countertop had blue in it like this, it's gonna be a small fortune. No matter what color, your price doesn't change here at Stone Coat Epoxy. You may pay a little bit more for another color. You're talking 15 more bucks. That's epic. Hope you had fun watching how this project was made. I know I had fun making it. Let me know any questions in the comments below. I'll hop in there and answer them personally. Thanks for watching everybody, and until next time from Stone Coat Epoxy, don't forget you got this, and we'll see you on the next video. Stone